the three sisters. Samarica, Lisi, Pina, Summer, Pina, Lisi, fetele mele, bușelinele mele dragi. Samarica, Lisi, I'm not so sure that Summer, Lisi can hear me, but da, fetele mele. They can be shy, but they are funny girls. The gentlest is Lisi. The craziest is Summer. Pina. So the gentlest is Lisi. The craziest is Summer. And Pina is the tallest. Oh. Bravo. Lisi! Mouse mama? I don't think so. Who are you? Bravo. Lisi, Samarica. Wonderful.